Homemade tomato and garlic-based sprays can reduce many soft-bodied pests when prepared and applied correctly. Make a garlic and chili spray by blending 10 cloves of garlic with 1 cup of chopped hot chilies and 4 cups of water. Then let the blend steep for 24 hours before straining through a fine sieve or cheesecloth and diluting with 4 times as much water. Add 1 tablespoon of mild liquid soap per quart of final spray as an emulsifier so the oil-soluble compounds disperse and stick to foliage. For tomato leaf extract targeting flea beetles, collect fresh tomato leaves, bruise or chop enough to fill 2 cups, steep in boiling water for 30 minutes, cool and strain, then dilute 1 part extract to 3 parts water and add 1 teaspoon of soap per quart. Always test any spray on a small area of a few leaves and wait 48 hours to watch for phytotoxicity such as browning or leaf drop because concentrated extracts can burn sensitive plants. Apply sprays late in the day or early morning to avoid sunburn and to maximize contact time with nocturnal or crepuscular pests, and reapply after heavy rain or irrigation since residues wash off. Combine homemade sprays with integrated pest management scouting by checking plants weekly for egg masses, larvae, and adult insects, and only treat when pest thresholds are exceeded. This preserves beneficial insects and reduces repeated unnecessary applications. Store concentrated extracts in a cool, dark place for up to 7 days and always label containers with contents and preparation date. Common mistakes are using undiluted concentrates, which can cause leaf burn, so always dilute and do a patch test before widespread use. Another frequent issue is poor straining that leaves particulates which clog sprayers and reduce coverage, so strain through 2 layers of cheesecloth and use a hand sprayer with a nozzle that can be cleaned easily. A third problem is over-reliance on sprays without monitoring, which wastes time and harms beneficial insects, so pair sprays with weekly scouting and physical controls like row covers or hand removal when practical. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around local projects related to garden care and pest control, and we provide a discussion community where gardeners and pros exchange recipes, timing tips, and product experiences. We help homeowners find local helpers and help contractors find work while hosting an active forum for practical advice.